In today's video, I'll show you how to use Pipedrive, a simple but powerful CRM that helps you manage leads, deals, and sales activities in one place. Start by opening your browser and searching for Pipedrive CRM. Click Try for free, then sign up using your email or Google account. Create a secure password and verify your email to activate your account. After signing in, enter your name, role, company size, and industry. These details help Pipedrive personalize your workspace. Once inside, you'll see the sales pipeline. This is the core of Pipedrive and represents your sales stages like lead-in, contact made, proposal sent, and negotiation. You can customize these stages anytime by clicking the pencil icon next to the pipeline name. Deals move forward using simple drag and drop, making it easy to track progress visually. To add a new deal, click the plus deal button from the pipeline view. Enter the deal name, contact or organization, expected close date, and value. Once saved, the deal appears in your pipeline instantly. As you work on deals, log calls, emails, meetings, and notes directly inside each deal. This keeps all communication organized and helps you stay on top of follow-ups. You can also connect your email and calendar so conversations and meetings sync automatically. Finally, head to the Insights section to view reports and dashboards. These give you a clear picture of deal performance, team activity, and sales forecasts, all in one place. That's it. With these basics, you are ready to use Pipedrive confidently and manage your sales process efficiently.